Hi guys, this is the Doubletree Hilton in Columbus, Ohio. First impressions, it's a little bit dated compared to the hotels that I typically stay in, but it's quite large. I'm actually just turning on the lights as I walk in, but as you can see here, there's an area for your things, standard bathroom, bathtub. So overall, I would say initial impressions, like a 6.5 out of 10. Definitely very spacious. It looks a little bit darker in here because not all the lights are on, but it's really nice. And let me just see the view. I love how much seating there is. This is downtown Columbus. Sorry guys. And I haven't been here since I was 5 or 6. So I'm excited to see what Columbus has to offer. So far, everyone's been really friendly and very welcoming. So yeah, I'll keep you guys up to date with how it goes out here. Hi guys, so this is downtown Columbus, right near the hotel that I'm staying at. This is the Supreme Court of Ohio. So right now, just walking a little bit. So far, I'm really liking it. Well, it's still early in the morning, so not too many people are out, but well, there's a bit of traffic, so yeah. But like I said, so far Columbus has been pretty nice, pretty chill. I'm excited to see other parts of it, so I'll keep you guys posted as I explore throughout the day. I'm still downtown, and this is another view of Columbus. I've noticed that it's really clean for it to be such a large city. This is Spaces in Columbus, and yeah, pretty practical, but this one specifically has one of the best office views that I've had with with all the other spaces that I've stayed at. So yeah, so far I'm liking it. I'll show you guys more of the exterior once I leave out of the office space. Hi guys, so now we're walking past the theater downtown. Not sure what the name of it is, but it's just in this building. Looks really nice. But yeah, Columbus is really clean. I like it a lot out here actually. I'm happy that I visited. And as you guys can see here, there's a show here. Oh wow, looks very nice. So I'm on my way to get coffee, and I'll keep you guys up to date with whatever I discover out here, because I'm not too familiar with Columbus, so I don't really know exactly what they're known for, sports wise, things like that. But yeah, so far really liking Columbus. Really clean. I know I keep saying that because I travel a lot and I've been to so many different cities, and I'm just really impressed. So yeah, this is a cool map of downtown Columbus that I thought looked pretty cool, that you can use these symbols here and find out where to go. So yeah, I thought that was pretty neat. But anyways, just got coffee. It was really nice. More footage of myself. It's hard for me to vlog sometimes, the camera looking at me while I'm walking. Just still walking after coffee. guys, so I'm just walking and I came across this like area where there's like a lot of like street food, things like that. I don't know if it's just seasonal or if it's
Hey
just
guys, so
like
this
for the
is just
weekend,
like downtown
but it's
Columbus,
really
and I
nice. There's
decided
like
to
quite
just
a
go
lot
for
of
a walk
options
so
of
I can just
food
kind of
here.
venture off and see
And
like
you guys
other
know me, you know I
shops
love
and
street
eating
food, so
places. In
I'm
fact,
going to
at
grab
this
a few
moment, I was
things and
actually
I'll let you
looking
guys
for
know what I end up
food.
getting. But yeah, it's really
So
nice. So I ended up
I just
getting
looked
the
on Google
walking
Maps and
taco.
noticed that
That's
there
what
were
they
some
suggested. It
places
looks
that I
really
can
good. I haven't
stop
tried it
by,
yet,
but I
but
wanted to stop
still
by
here, going
this
to
cool
grab a
like
seat and
area here. There was a lot of food trucks and people out. So the taco was good, but here we are in the lobby at the hotel. I was waiting on my lift and I just wanted to show you guys some scenery. This is me actually in the lift heading to the airport. A pretty quick trip in Columbus, but I had a great time and yeah, be back.